Hello there, I'm Rick, and today I want to talk to you about The Infinite Game, a great book by James Cars. And I want to talk to you about computer gameplay and the culture you're in right now. But first, let's talk about computer gameplay. Right now, computer gameplay is booming, esports, tournaments, it's kind of everywhere. I'm 45 years old right now, and when I grew up, it really wasn't something that was known the way it is right now. And I'm overjoyed to see the difference, and I want to give you some insights to what you can learn from computer gameplay. Perhaps you have a kid that you can bring forth to the real life metrics, real life results, happiness, being successful. So what is infinite play versus finite play? Well, for example, let's talk about computer games right now. It could be any kind of tournament. The tournament is kind of part of a bigger play than the finite play. A finite play has a certain set of rules for this match, and you have fixed metrics that most people understand how the mechanics behind them work. And that's how you escalate or level up inside the tournament, which also quite have a rule set. But the infinite play is the career you're building with your achievements in the tournament. The infinite play is the reputation that you have teammates who want to join you in the next match and stuff like that. But I think computer gameplay is such a beautiful way to learn to see the difference, because let's say you do want to win a tournament in whatever game you're playing. Quite often what we do is we do more of playing instead of figuring out, I want to put my name behind an assertion. Let's say I think this tool is effective, or I think this tactic is effective, and then test that out. Basically, going into the finite play and experimenting. I'm gonna try tossing things in a grenade into this corner and see if it bounces. If I can train my skill to be more accurate, or if I can build this way, that's gonna give me a tactical advantage. Whatever it is, I'm going into the finite play to train, but I have to do so with an assertion. I have to say, today I'm not gonna play like normal, just showing up, sitting here playing the game. I'm gonna actually force myself to train on whatever mechanism I think will enhance my results. And then I need to, after the finite play, I need to review and evaluate, is it working? Am I becoming better on whatever metrics I just made up? Is it seem to be working for the bigger game that I'm playing? Is it, once again, fine? Is it fun? Is it aligning with why I'm doing it in the first place? So, and the thing is, you can see that in your real life, right? If we're a parent or if you're working in a corporate environment, it's so easy to just do more of what's already working, or just to sit up. It's some tension over there, or it's a resistance here, or it's unclear here, so I'll just do what I'm told. Exactly the same thing. And that happens to us playing games too. We know we should do the work that matters, but yeah, I mean, at least I'm investing the hours into the process, right? But it's two different processes. Just showing up rarely makes you better. So do put yourself on the hook and dare to show. If you're a parent, talk to your kid. When have you put yourself on the hook? When did you fail, and what did you learn from it? When did you succeed, and what happened then? There's usually a plateau, and rarely is it this instant wonder and we figure it out. And going back then to computer games, the beautiful of that finite play, it's nerfed all the time. Ask your kid what nerfed means, and they'll probably tell you a better, accurate description than I do, but it means something changed. Something that was highly successful stopped doing. Sounds familiar in whatever business you're in, right? The beautiful in computer games play is that happens all the time. Being curious and experimenting with mechanics is highly successful, and it's part of what you need to learn. You can't just lag behind and not be curious and not be ready to let go of your favorite tool, because the rule sets have changed. And this can happen in a tournament. This can happen within a series of a set of final plays. So do reach out to your kids, to your friends who play games, and talk about this. And ask to learn what you can do better in your real life, wherever you are. And if they want to spend their life in a gaming career or streaming career or whatever, ask them what can they build. Like video editing, if they're making videos on their gameplay, that could actually become a career on its own. A joyful, happy career, so they have multiple legs to stand on, because changes happen. Nerves happen in real life, as we just said. So I hope this helps you connect to a few people who play games and realize that everything can be used to level up. If we think and if we dare to put a few better assertions down and experiment with them in real life, once again, not just in our head, and make it happen. Thank you for stopping by, my friend. Have a good one.